Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Aparna Khan and today I will be creating this makeup look right here. This is super simple, super glam, and this is perfect for any occasion. Like festive season is just around the corner, so I thought let me just create a glamorous Indian traditional look. But before starting, please take a moment and subscribe my channel by hitting that red subscribe button and the notification bell which appear after it. Now without a single ado, let's get started. So as always, first I will be starting off with my face priming. So I don't know how the moisturizer part got deleted, or I cannot find the footage, so I have used the moisturizer, Pond's and the rose water as usual. Now again I'm going for the primer. This is the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer, and going on my usual areas, going under my eyes as well, because you all know my eyes tend to crease a lot, so I am applying there. It really helps to hold the concealer or the foundation even. Now for my foundation, I am taking Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I don't know the shade. I will mention it in the description box, so do check that out. So yeah, taking that and only applying on my T-zone, like for brightening effect. I'm not using it all over my face, just center of my face. So yeah, and this is kind of very see-through skin like foundation, so this is kind of natural skin, look natural on my skin. So yeah, just blending it, and after that I'm using Maybelline Compact and just setting my under eyes only, just my under eyes, and some of my forehead part are around my lips, and yeah, not my whole face, just my center of my face. Now taking that brown eyeshadow and placing it on my crease and blending it very seamlessly, and just wing it out so that it give me that cat eye effect. So now here I am trying to do a perfect wing liner, a very thin half wing liner, and yeah, taking those two color and then applying it on only on my lids so that the brown kind of toned down, taking that glittery part and applying it on my inner corners, and yeah, that's done for the eyes. For the blush, I'm using Lakme Pure Rouge blush, and this is so glamorous. It has a very sheen color, and so yeah, it just blend with the highlighter very beautifully. And this is the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, applying on my usual areas, highest point of my face, cupid bow, bridge of my nose, and by blending it with blush, it will give me that glossy effect. Now upon going to the hair, I'm just making it. For my hair, I am center parting it, and yeah, it just take my time, and now just poofing that hair so that my Mang Tika gets settled very finely. And I'm using the bobby pin and just sticking and placing that hair in the right place so that it don't move. Now placing my Mang Tika and just securing it with some bobby pin again. Now both the side of my hairs, I'm just twisting and turning it and twisting and turning it, and creating that illusion of a twisting twirled hair. It kind of like twist, okay? You just take the strands and just twisting it, keep on twisting it, and it will create a very round but a perfect shape poofy puff, and by dividing it with the Mang Tika, so just securing it with the bobby pin again. And can you see how my hair look, and doing same to the other side. Last night I just slept with a braid, so that's why my hair looking like a crisscross or beachy wavy kind of, because I slept with a braid. So yeah, now I'm just pulling some of the strands, making it voluminous and a little bit messy, putting my jhumka, and yeah, that's the whole look. Can you see? Now wait for the eyelashes and the lipstick, it will just stain the whole look. So yeah, there's a surprise. Putting on my eyelashes and red lip liner, just lining my lips and filling it again. Now after that, I will taking a red liquid lipstick and placing it all over my lips. Like, look at my lips. I was so obsessed with this look. This look is perfect for any festive occasion, even for wedding season. Karwa Chauth is coming. You can pair this look with everyone. Now placing that red bindi, and yeah, it's going perfect with the orange sari and the red bindi with golden earrings. It just playing a very good contrast. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Follow me on my Instagram, Aparna Khan, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, enjoy. Bye bye.